Quite the chorus. This is 5:13 in the morning when they haven't been fed yet. I was trying to throw them tortilla and they keep on just making courses. Seagull's one of them. He sounds so much like the other one. I think they're brothers. That's Seagull. Seagull. I think they're trying to say it's morning and I'm supposed to feed him. I think they're trying to be my alarm clock right now. I don't know. Guys. Keep throwing tortilla over there and he's not paying attention. And this is Seagull left still. Seagull! Seagull, do you want a little bit of tortilla while you wait for your breakfast? What are you eating off the road? I just caught the tail end of it on video. There was a lot more than that. Seagull, do you want to come over and have some tortilla before you get your breakfast? I gotta pack up everything. Shark buddy. Same truck comes through every morning. Hey, Seagull. Seagull. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. No. Come here, Seagull. He's acting like a seagull right now. Seagull. Come here, Seagull. What is up? Come here, Seagull. Seagull. Come here, buddy. He's not used to me sleeping over here. He's like scared of coming over here. There's just too many homeless males around here that are dangerous.